Noong una, lumabas si Gutesa, and in fact, nagkaroon nga ng away, di ba, kahapon, kinuha siya ng Marines to protect him.
Which was being denied by the Marines.
Marines,
now.
okay. Hindi nila pwedeng i-deny. Tahimik lang ako, ayaw ko mag-react. But nasa kanila, nasa MC2, which is the intelligence arm of the Marines.
Okay.
Which is his mother unit,
Correct.
nung active pa siya. Ngayon,
Are you saying he's still there?
I'm not sure.
Okay.
Hindi ko alam. Ngayon ang nangyari, hindi na siya protected, detained na siya by the Marines.
Oh, that wasn't reported in the news.
Yes, and now I'm saying it.
So he's now in the custody of the Marines.
Of the Marines. Hindi ko alam particularly kung institutional to or there are elements in the Marines active. Alam mo, Sec. Edwin, ngayon lang kami pwede magsalita. Dahil ngayon lang nakuha yung pamilya.